Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you for coming back. So basically today I was gonna do a whole vlog video about my shoot with Jaden, and I recorded everything, and then when I got to editing I realized it was so short that it wasn't enough. So I'm gonna show you how I did the makeup look for that shoot, and it's basically this whole face. So stay tuned for that. I'm gonna do the makeup look first and then go into the shoot, and please go and check out the blog post that I did. Also, I am selling the t-shirts that you see in the shoot, so head over to Kiara. There's a shop button at the top in the menu bar. Go and check out the shirts, you guys, and thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. This Maybelline what is it called, new baby skin blah 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 blah, all around where I know my pores are really not participating. Also, I don't have nails, you guys, because I just feel like it's time to look like a real I feel like I look like a real human being, like not a fake animated person. So I am using this Maybelline New York Superstay 24-hour full coverage. So I know I look a whole lot like a ghost, but bear with me, it gets better. I don't know, I really struggle to find my color in foundations. The only one that really does really well is the Yardley airbrush foundation, but that one doesn't last very long. It wipes off really easily, but it's okay. I make it work with some bronzer and stuff, and it's really not. It's not the end of the world. Concealer, I am using LA Girl Pro Conceal because really, what else should you be using? This one I bought when LA Girl first came out, when they first came to South Africa, but it's too pink. So yeah, this color is the warm honey color, and this color is the peach corrector, and it's just a bit pink. But I'm gonna use this because it just makes a lot of weird colors with my face if I use it. So I know LA Girl has a white concealer, so I'm gonna buy that and then just mix all of them together, mix that one, and then it's just gonna be lighter, which is the whole point because you're trying to highlight your under eyes. Not any beauty bloggers that are watching this that are like, she's doing like the wrong thing, I don't know why in my head, you guys, beauty bloggers watching this, in my head we have the accent of an Afrikaans lady who lives in New York in my head. But yeah, if you guys are watching this and thinking to yourselves that I'm giving people all the wrong tips, I mean, I feel like I'm so okay with that, because I'm not saying this is how you should do makeup. I'm saying this is how I do makeup, and this is what makes my face look good. There really isn't that much of science behind it. This is just what I do. Okay, from here we're gonna bake. So I am using the Absolute Translucent Powder from Yardley. This one is the suitable for all skin tones. Yeah, I do a lot of my friends' makeup when we go out to the club and stuff, so I bought this so that we can all use it in essence, because I know they're not gonna buy it. So yeah. This whole baking process, because it really does just give you like a very flawless done finish. Also, quick story about my eyebrows. So I was really in a rush because I needed to go do my eyebrows because I had an event to attend to. I needed to do it before I went to class, so I had a 12 a.m. lecture. So I phoned the place that does my eyebrows, the Perfect 10, and I'm like, hey, is, the lady who does it, is she there? Can she help me? And they're like, yeah, no, she's there. I'm like, okay, cool. Get to the salon, and she's not there, and they're like, no, but we'll do it anyways. And I'm like, I don't know if it's okay for me to cheat on her right now, like, if it's okay or not. But anyways, so this other lady did my eyebrows, and I don't know, she made it very round. Like, the shape is good, she just made it very round, and I feel like it's too far. Like, it should end about here, like the hair should be about here, and then this one's not so bad, it should be about there, but she made it so far apart. but it's fine. This is what we have an eyebrow pencil for. So while my face is baking, I'm just gonna do my eyebrows. I think I could do an entire video on just doing eyebrows and doing eyelashes. You know what? Doing fashion illustration has helped so much with my makeup, funny enough. Like, because in class we have to learn when we're drawing the face, especially with fashion figures, we have to learn the proportions of eyebrows in terms of what's fashionable in eyebrows and how to draw eyelashes and the different context of makeup on the eye and shit like that. So as I feel like in terms of eyebrows, there's a lot that goes into it in terms of construction that I feel like people don't get, especially with your face. Like your eyebrow, when you draw, your eyebrow should be an extension. It should come around your nose. So if this is your nose and you're drawing it, it should come like around. So your eyebrow can't be here if your nose, because then your nose has to go all the way up. So yeah, it's not that bad. But now when I'm doing my eyebrows, like, I need to teach this lady. And I like sort of the square shape more. Okay, I feel like these eyebrows, like the round shape really isn't that bad because she did them well. But I just like the point better. Like, I need to have a little bit of a tick. Otherwise, how are you gonna know I support Nike? I've been using the L'Oreal Brow Artist Expert. I like it. The color's really not that bad. It doesn't look too fake, and it's got this little brush thing. It works. The best one I've ever used is from Smashbox. Smashbox's eyebrows, they kill it. They kill it with the eyebrows. For eyes, I'm gonna use Naked by Urban Decay's Smoky One. My friend got this for me from the States, otherwise I never would have bought it. I like more, because the palette is pretty, I don't want to sound ungrateful, but the palette is very colorful and dark, and I'm not so much one to do like dark eyes. But we're here now, so I'm gonna dust all of this off, real gently, just enough. And I know that the color looks very scary right now, but it will be fixed. I love bronzer because bronzer hides a lot of the weird colors. Although I won't lie to you guys, this color is doing a lot. I look pink, and I put a lot. That's the thing. No, I've got to change it, guys. It looks ridiculous. Oh, what if we do this? So there's a lot more foundation left on this brush, so let's just go over it and see what happens. Okay, that's a whole lot better. A whole lot better. Okay, well, either way, we're gonna go in with high. We're gonna go in the corner here. And using this more loose tapered brush that came with the set, I'm gonna go in with Dirty Sweet. And then with the rest of the eye, I'm gonna go in with Radar, which is this one. And then I'm gonna go in with Whiskey really lightly. I'm just gonna go in the crease just to define it more. It just defines the crease a little bit more, and I feel like it just gives it a very subtle hint of drama. So the eyes are done. I'm gonna go back in with Dirty Sweet and the gold, and just reinsure it. I'm gonna go in and just tidy that up a little bit. I'm really not a fan of using eyeliners, so I like to use this slanted brush instead of using eyeliner. And I'm just gonna take this color Radar, basically just the darkest color that you can use instead of eyeliner, and just go with it along the lower lash line. And then I'm gonna take it out a little bit, just to create a small wing, like a really subtle wing. And that's that. My absolute favorite part, mascara. I think I need to do an entire video on different mascaras and just how to do your eyelashes, because there's so much that you can do. I don't like wearing fake eyelashes anymore because they frustrate me, and they become like, I just want to pull them out, and then I can't like blink properly, and like I can't do it. But I have been using this mascara. It's from Yardley. It's called Volume Lash Maximus. I hope you guys can see it. And literally this thing, it's not meant for anything else but lash growing enhancing mascara. It's not meant for volume or anything. It's literally meant to grow your lashes. I put this on the base of, I use this as a base for all my mascara because mascara dries out your eyelashes, especially waterproof. So this is the base and I use it for everything. So what's really important with mascara is that you start at the end, and you need 3 different directions. So you go that way, and then that way for the inner ones. This is one mascara. Look at the difference. No mascara, 1 layer of mascara. I forgot to do earlier is take a pointer brush like this and go in with this white color. I found that this just really defines the eyebrow because I don't use concealer around that point. I will put highlighter over my eyebrow later, but this just, especially when you're using darker colors, this just gives it a really natural highlight. I'm gonna go in with this mascara from A1. I don't have an eyebrow gel, so I like to just go over my eyebrows with a little bit of mascara, just for control. Really lightly. If you press too hard with this, you're gonna get lines on your eyebrows, so don't do that. And mascara is done. Ooh. Wet n Wild contouring palettes. This is the Urban Studio Pro Contour brush. It's perfectly made for this exact situation. And I don't know if you guys can see, but it's literally a shadow. It's very, very, very subtle. I'm gonna take it there. The Urban Studio blush brush and go in with the white side. I feel like my face looks very dry right now. I'm gonna go in with this. I don't even know what this is called anymore. It's called Velvet something. I don't know. It's a velvet stick. I think it's from Essence. Just gonna put it on the forehead. A little bit. I don't have the brush that I usually use for it, but I'm just gonna rub it in. I'm gonna take this lip bronzer. This bronzer is from Mack. It is in the shade Dark Deep. And then just put it in here. Finish this Max Factor blush. It is 05 Lovely Pink. And then I'm gonna take this cheekbone and I'm gonna put it on there. And just be sure to carry it up all the way. I'm gonna use the Maybelline Master Strobing Stick. So I will say it doesn't do. I'm gonna highlight the bottom of the lip, right there. I'm gonna highlight that part of the lip, the nose. I literally just rub it in. And then, of course, twirling the cheek. The Essence Nude Lip Gloss. And it should look. So you guys, this is my look. Pretty much done. And yeah, off to the shoot.
Hello, how are you?
Good, I'm videoing you. I'm sorry I'm so late, guys. I'm running on Indian time. I fucked up my makeup and now I'm like 3 different colors, but no one looked too close and then we'll be fine. What? You guys, Jaden is such a great photographer. I am so excited for you guys to see this. Outfit number 1 done, just by the way. This is retailing on Carter as soon as your girl can figure out packaging. So we're shooting personalities and my personality's name is Karen. I'm married. My husband has 2 kids. I'm 26, but my stepdaughter is 22. And you know, I'm getting that will. So yes. This is me, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, guys, so we shot like, how many looks? Like two and a half. Literally a half. 2.5 looks because the sun got so hectic that we couldn't even. So now we're just reviewing them. And also, Jaden's house is beautiful, you guys. Look at the skylights. So this is just the editing process. We're just gonna decide what we're doing. You can't see it.
You can see me.
Okay, you guys, so we just finished selecting all the photos that we needed to do. Also, that is for my seatbelt, but I'm literally 2 minutes from home, so I don't even need to put it on. What was I saying? And you guys, Jaden is so talented. If you need a photographer in Pretoria for absolutely anything, you guys have to hit her up. Her link will be in the bio below. It is also tagged in all of the Instagram photos. It's on the blog, but homegirl is amazing. Like, she really blew me away today. Like, I like, you know, because I knew her from high school. Like, I thought we were gonna shoot and it was just gonna be like a chilled, cutie little shoot, you know, like. But then homegirl came through and she's like, nah, I got the sauce. Oh, let's do this, young ma. I was shooketh, guys. You know what a shooketh is? But also my car is an absolute mess. Like, if you can see the bottom and like just the whole, just everything is at the back. It's a mess, and I can't find the garage key. But open. There we go. But I am so excited. So now I've got to go and just edit some other vlogs because I've been recording every day, but I'm not getting to edit all of the material. So that's it. So I stopped at home to get lunch. I really feel like I want to go out because my face is super done. Shout out to my face. For lunch, I'm just gonna be having this because cooking is just not a priority right now. Like, there's so much to do. So yeah. So you guys, I was editing the video, realized that I didn't put an ending. I feel like it's a bit rude, so thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and stay tuned every Thursday for a new video. And every Friday I'm doing Zumba with Takia, who's like my bestie if you don't know. So go and check that out on a Friday and go and visit my blog, you guys. My whole fashion blogger. I've got a whole blog. It's like a real blog. And go and buy any of the products I've got listed on the site. Store just opened. Side note, my tongue is yellow because I was drinking Powerade, not because I'm on drugs. But you guys can find t-shirts, denim jackets, dresses. There's a lot going on in my store, and yeah, guys, just go and check it out, and thank you for watching.